What's up, people? I'm walking down this wonderful street here in Suedi, and I'm actually going to my car. I'm gonna drive back to Muhammadiyah, so I'll show you the scenes along the way. So, this is the Al Khudair Center. On the other side, they have a lot of social places for community gatherings and that sort of stuff, and some places, some entertainment places. This is some road in Swedi and it leads to the ring road over there. The scenes are actually quite nice, but I'm gonna get in my car and then we are gonna leave. So people, just come over here. Okay, let me just fix it. Yeah, now it's fixed. Now let me just do reverse and get out of this place. Do you know about Swedi here in Riyadh? So the time is almost 1 a.m. in night. We are leaving Swedi. We are gonna follow the Western Ring Road and we are gonna go to Muhammadiyah. On the right there's a lot of coffee shops, gahwa shops, tea places, and I just came from there with a friend. Riyadh is huge. This actual commute is gonna be 27 kilometers, and after 27 kilometers we are gonna reach Muhammadiyah. But the thing is that this is not even a quarter of how big Riyadh is. It's a huge city. So the next car in front of us is 50 meters away, 60 meters away almost. So in now it's 76, 77, 80. In Shanjanedo, it has a radar which measures the distance from the next car and all that sort of fancy stuff. Now if I get into this lane, it's showing me now it's 15 meters. Now I'll take my foot off of the gas. Now we are gonna continue on the Western Ring Road, and the thing is that it's 1 a.m. in the night. Oh, by the way, on the left side we have this Fitness Time gym, Fitness Time Red. I go to Fitness Time here in Riyadh. So coming back to it, it's 1 a.m. in the night, and you can see the roads are still busy. There's a lot going on, and now it's Saturday, but it was Friday night. And we are cruising on the Western Ring Road. Oh ho ho, there's a lot of traffic up ahead. I could see it while turning the corner. We are gonna face some traffic up ahead, but inshallah everything will be fine. So the cars have already started to slow down. Still we are going at 82 kilometers per hour. That's quite decent, I would say. Not bad. Let's go into the fast lane. The road speed limit is 120. I'm still driving in eco mode because you see it's not that big of a distance. If the road was free, I would have driven in the normal mode or the sports mode. Up ahead we might face some slow traffic. We have to turn on the emergency lights because now things are getting slower. In Riyadh, I have seen quite some accidents where cars have been hit from behind. So these emergency lights, they are like really important. Now we can turn it off since people behind us are slow anyways. Now after going from this place, we are gonna merge onto the Jeddah road, and that Jeddah road, by the way, just focus on the left side. There's a camera. This box you see, this is a speed camera. Okay, so once we go on to Jeddah road, we are gonna use that, and then we are gonna go on to this okay, someone wants to turn abruptly. We are gonna use the King Abdullah road after the Jeddah road. So that's our route today. There's a bridge coming up ahead. You will be able to see that as well. Everyone is going slow because there's much traffic over here. But can you believe it's 1 a.m. in the night? This city never sleeps, honestly. See the amount of traffic, it's just so insane. Like, I'm also outside, I'm a part of this traffic as well. What am I doing outside at 1 a.m. in the night when I have to go to work at 5 a.m. in the morning? I have to be there. So well, this city and its people, they never sleep. And I should, so this is the bridge. I should switch the lanes because I have to take an exit up ahead. That was a cool car that we passed by. And now we are gonna go on to Jeddah road. The speed limit of this road, I think, is it's also 120. It stays 120 till the King Abdullah Road. Well guys, the drive is really smooth. We are driving the speed limit. However, I'll try to get into the other lane because you see there's some margin still. Let's say the speed limit is 120. So there's margin of like 5 kilometers per hour. So just like the other car you see, it's passing by us. So they can use this margin, although they should drive the speed limit, but still there's no fine in going on that margin. I try to stay in the limit as well, but the thing is that the cabin was quite actually calm because I could feel there's very high wind outside. Look at that red cool car going in front of us. So I could feel the wind outside and we were going 120, but inside the cabin it was like very silent. And in case if you are wondering, I'm driving a Shangyang Edo 2025. I really hope the camera also stays stable. By the way, focus on the right side of the screen and up on top there's the moon. Look at that constant brightness coming from the moon. And like we are cruising at the speed limit. Everyone is cruising actually. So this warning sign means we have reached 120. Now 11 kilometers remaining and 10 minutes. On our right we have the Ritz-Carlton Riyadh. Some cars are going slow, so we'll have to overtake them. This drive is really smooth, honestly. The road is also smooth. And even here you see traffic. If you continue onto this road, there's an exit that leads to Diriyah here in Riyadh. Now there's see Just be mindful whenever you are driving to put on the indicators. There's no light, there's no street light over here. There are up above, but none of them is on. I really hope this channel could grow into something really big someday. Thanks to all you people. You people support this channel a lot. You like the videos. Some of you even give your feedback. I mean, like, I'm really humbled. You people are so amazing. If you're watching still, type amazing down in the comments. And I must say that if you live in Riyadh, you are living in such a wonderful place, honestly. This is also one of the most interesting places in Riyadh. Now we are on King Abdullah Road. We are gonna exit from the ramp that leads to the main King Abdullah Road and not the service lane. Right now this is the service lane of the same road. The speed limit on King Abdullah Road is 90. So most of the roads that go into this direction here in the east direction in Riyadh, the speed limit is 90. The ones going from south to north, they could be 100 to 120 depending on the road. And the ring road coming from the east of Riyadh, the speed limit on that one is 120. Otherwise, the main roads like this one, going to the east and coming from the east, the speed limit here is 90. By the way, today I went for swimming at the gym with my friend, and then we met another friend. He could inshallah possibly go to Abha for work, so maybe this was our last meeting before that. The drive is 3.6 kilometers to its end, and it's gonna take 4 minutes. Have you been on the King Abdullah Road? Let me know in the comments. And I have like 3 hours till I then again have to get back up and get ready to work for work. You might be seeing one building on your right with the red lights. That's the Dr. Sulaiman Al Habib Hospital on the Takhasusi Street. And from here it's on the King Abdullah Road. the service lane of the King Abdullah Road. We are gonna be using the next exit to come back to Muhammadiyah because there's some road work going on. We have a very fine Defender going in front of us. What a beautiful car. Land Rover Defender. Now if we turn right and take the exit from the right, it's gonna lead to the King Fahd Road. I have a lot of videos on the channel for King Fahd Road, but we are gonna take a U-turn. On my right is the district Rahmaniya, the Rahmaniya district, and on the left we have the Muhammadiyah district. I'm going to Muhammadiyah, so we'll take this U-turn. By the way, there was one Zoo Cafe, the one you see in front, and it's not there anymore. It was really one of the best, I would say, but I think it wasn't turning a profit, so they had to close it. But honestly, I have a lot of good memories from this cafe, because when I came to Riyadh, I used to come here often because I like peaceful cafes, so there wasn't much rush over here. That was good for me, but not good for the cafe. But the other thing is that okay, this cafe didn't used to turn in that much business, but however, there's a shisha cafe right next to it, and the shisha cafe is always full, and it's still running. So that's telling us the state of the consumption of shisha and that sort of stuff. Anyways, we are now in Muhammadiyah. I'll make the turn and then I will. This is a sharp turn, by the way. And I'll see you amazing people in another video. Let me know where I should go around in Riyadh, and hopefully we are gonna meet in another video. Stay blessed, everyone.